Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect two devices to your speaker simultaneously. And right here I have a first device what connected with a speaker, and the second one have no connection here. So click pair new device and now press and hold at the Bluetooth button. It entered to pairing mode and now we should see it at the device list. Here we go, now click on it and then click pair. And right here, as you can see, we have two devices connected to the speaker. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!